Okay, so it's that time of year again. We're back at Howard's and we are renovating the back lawn. What we're doing to start with, we're just getting the hater out and getting rid of some of this top growth, because we can't just go straight on with the Ala Kensington because it would just be too stressful for it. So I'll go over on 2 first and then on 1, just to remove all that top growth, and then we can get on, as you see now, with the Kensington. So what I've done is I've put it on 1, so it's quite short. It's going through it quite easy. So what I do is I'll do this, and then I just go over it once more in a different direction, just to take off anything I might have missed. And as I'm going along there, I'm just picking out any annual meadow grass because I've got my fork in my pocket. Okay, so that's the cylinder work over and done with. Now on with the Old Faithful. Just giving this a double pass on the same height that I scarified former Britain's Best Lawn on Tuesday. Just opening up some grooves there for some seeds falling. And then I thought I'll just swap the Kensington cylinder over to the scarifying attachment, and I'm just using this as a power rake to pick all the debris that I've brought up, and it's done a really good job. Just 1 pass required and it picked everything up. Okay, so now that all that debris is picked up, I'm just going over with our seed. Just doing a double pass. I've just got it open on 27. We don't need much, but we just want to fill in a few bare areas where there's been a bit of damage from disease and the odd worm cast. And then after the seed there, we're just going on now with our H2Go wetting agent. This just helps soften the seed to let water in quicker, so we can get our germination away quicker. And then we'll go on with our field compost number 4. Remember, it's a 10% off code, DHLE10 at fieldcompost.co.uk for 10% off your field compost number 4. Now that we've finished raking in the field compost number 4, I just go over it with the same wetting agent H2Go. This just helps the compost absorb water better, meaning we'll get quicker germination again. So we're just going over now with some water. I've just replumbed in the pump, and look at that, a nice heavy spray just to finish off. And hopefully we'll get some rain over the weekend to finish.
Welcome to Luxury Rattan Direct. Come and see our large range of quality garden furniture here in Bamburgh Bridge, Preston. Or buy direct from our website with prices to suit everyone's budget and sizes to suit everyone's garden. LuxuryRattanDirect.co.uk. Shopping for garden furniture has never been so easy.
And that's how you do a renovation.